Hi everyone, in this video, we will be learning how to evaluate algebraic expressions. Evaluate 3 times k squared minus 5k plus 4 when k is equal to -2. The thing we need to do here is that to evaluate an expression, we need to replace all the k's in the given expression with -2. So that's going to be 3 times -2 squared minus 5 times -2 plus 4. And we simplify it from here. So 3 times 4, negative times negative is positive, 10 plus 4. So 3 times 4 plus 10 plus 4 is 18, and 3 times 18 is 54. So this is the answer. And for the challenge question, evaluate the expression when x is equal to 5. Please remember to type your answer below, and thank you for watching.